Dulux Duramax Chalky Finish is an innovative spray paint that delivers an ultra matte finish, perfect for glass surfaces. Wipe the surface of your object, making sure it's clean and dry, free of any grease, rust or dirt. Classic duck egg. Hold can upright, 10 to 25 centimeters from surface. Spray with smooth, even strokes parallel to the surface. Prevent blocking by turning can upside down and spraying until clear. Wipe front of nozzle clean. Bordeaux cream. Apply several light mist coats instead of one heavy coat. Touch dry in 10 minutes under normal conditions. Create magic with Duramax.